Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about the new year, which is a little different than our last story time, which was more about change. So this story time is going to explore New Year celebrations from different cultures and countries, like Diwali from India and the Chinese New Year. So make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. As always, we're going to start with make new friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. The circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, let's go again. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. The circle's round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, so our next song is called Celebrate the New Year, and that's to the tune of Row, row, row your boat. So make sure that you follow along with the cheer, cheer, cheer and the clap, clap, clap. Okay, here we go. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, let's go have some fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands, a brand new year is here. Learning, laughing, singing, clapping through another year. Okay, let's go again. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, let's go have some fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands, a brand new year is here. Learning, laughing, singing, clapping through another year. Okay, so let's go ahead and read our first book. This book is called Shub Diwali, which means Happy Diwali. Grandpa watches the waning moon. The festival is coming soon. Our house must look its very best. Diwali's here, no time to rest. We hang buntings of mango leaves. They welcome gods, Grandma believes. Rangoli art dispels the gloom. It brings sparkle to every room. We wear new clothes to mark the cheer. We have waited all through the year. Time for stories about our gods who fought evil against all odds. We ring the bells this darkest night. We sing the hymns, chant and recite. The moon is new as night descends. We light the lamps with all our friends. We exchange gifts and homemade sweets. We greet our neighbors on the streets. Fireworks whiz, shimmer and glow. The skies brighten in the sparkly show. Dinner's ready. It's full of treats. We stay awake as night retreats. It's good fortune the new year brings. It's lucky to start brand new things. Shub Diwali to one and all. We wish you joy, big and small. What type of New Year's traditions do you guys have? Okay, so next we're going to do a poem, New Year's Here. So make sure that you follow along. Bells are ringing, people are singing. New Year's here, New Year's here. Happy, happy New Year, happy, happy New Year. Let's all cheer, New Year's here. Okay, let's go again. Bells are ringing, people are singing. New Year's here, New Year's here. Happy, happy New Year, happy, happy New Year. Let's all cheer, New Year's here. Okay. And our craft this week, which you can come pick up at the library, is a little ornament. It's a little star ornament you can bead. And that's a cute little New Year trinket for you to make. Okay, so our next book is Bringing in the New Year. This one's about Chinese New Year. Is the new year coming? I hope so. We try to welcome it in. So Gigi sweeps the old year out of the house. Baba hangs the spring happiness poems. Mama makes the get-rich dumplings. May May gets a fresh haircut. And I put on my new K-Pow, dress for the New Year feast. Now will the New Year come? Pop, pop, pop. Do you hear the firecrackers? Are they bringing in the New Year? No, but they brought in the lions. They're here to scare away last year's bad luck. They scare May May too. Don't cry, May May. Where is the New Year? We carry the lanterns to light its way. I hope the New Year follows us soon. Look, there's the dragon. Auntie is waking him up by opening his eyes. The New Year must be coming. The dragon's awake. Is the New Year at last? Yes, hooray! The New Year is here. Happy New Year, everyone. Okay, so our last song is going to be Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2, the mouse said boo. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 3, the mouse said wee. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 4, the mouse said no more. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2, the mouse said boo. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 3, the mouse said wee. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 4, the mouse said no more. Hickory dickory dock. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye-bye.